Good morning students of class 12th. Today I am going to explain the next topic, method of formation of aldehyde. In the last class we have already discussed about the method of formation of aldehyde and ketone both. The three important reactions are there which are used in the formation of aldehyde and ketones, and one by one we study them there. First, by the oxidation of alcohol. Second, by the dehydrogenation of alcohol. And third, that is from hydrocarbons. And today, only method of formation of aldehyde, the important reaction which is used in the formation of only aldehydes, are important naming reaction also. Then first of all we see which of the following reactions, the following methods of preparation of aldehydes are given below. First, from acid chloride. By the reaction of acid chloride we obtain aldehyde, that is also known as acyl chloride. फ्रॉम नाइट्राइल्स एंड ईस्टर, नाइट्राइल से और ईस्टर से भी हम क्या बना सकते हैं, एल्डिहाइड बना सकते हैं. थर्ड, फ्रॉम हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, हाइड्रोकार्बन से भी हम बना सकते हैं, लेकिन इसमें तीन मेथड है. फर्स्ट है क्या, बाई ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ मेथिल बेंजीन. सेकेंड क्या है, बाई साइड चेन क्लोरीनेशन फॉलोड बाई हाइड्रोलिसिस. साइड चेन क्लोरीनेशन के द्वारा हाइड्रोलिसिस कराने पे हमें एल्डिहाइड ऑब्टेन हो सकता है. एंड द लास्ट, दैट इज बाई गाटरमान कोच रिएक्शन. इंपॉर्टेंट नेमिंग रिएक्शन, गाटरमान कोच रिएक्शन. ओके, देयर आर थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड यूज इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओनली एल्डिहाइड नॉट कीटोन, दैट इज फ्रॉम एसिड क्लोराइड. सेकेंड, फ्रॉम नाइट्राइल्स एंड ईस्टर. थर्ड, फ्रॉम हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. First, by oxidation of methyl benzene. Second, by side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis. And third, by Gaterman-Koch reaction. And now we study one by one chemical reaction, because these chemical reactions are important of their naming reaction. Okay, first, from acyl chloride. Acyl chloride, that is benzene. Benzene ring, at the benzene ring carbonyl carbon attached with the halide, that is called acyl chloride. C6H5COCl. When benzyl chloride hydrogenated in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate catalyst, benzaldehyde is obtained. When benzyl chloride hydrogenated in the presence of palladium barium sulfate, which is used as catalyst for the reaction, benzaldehyde is obtained, and this reaction is known as important naming reaction, that is Rosenmund reaction. Rosenmund reaction, the scientist name Rosenmund. So he give the name Rosenmund reduction. And you know that addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. So it is an important method of formation of aldehyde by the reduction, that is known as Rosenmund reduction. And in this reaction, acyl halide reduce in the presence of palladium barium sulfate to form benzaldehyde. आइए देखते हैं कैसे रिएक्शन हुआ. अब देखिए यहाँ से Cl एक H अटैच हुआ, H प्लस Cl माइनस कंबाइन होके क्या बना दिया, HCl, और जो बच्चा H वो अटैच हो गया इस वाले Cl के प्लेस पे. तो क्या बना, C6H5COOH मीन्स CHO. C डबल बॉन्ड OH मीन्स दैट इज CHO benzaldehyde. So it is naming reaction Rosenmund reduction. Yes, what is Rosenmund reduction? Write short note on the Rosenmund reduction. Then you can write, when acyl chloride reduce in the presence of palladium barium sulfate, benzaldehyde is obtained by the elimination of halide from the acyl halide and addition of hydrogen, the benzaldehyde is obtained, that is known as Rosenmund reaction. Important reagent, that is palladium barium sulfate, which is reducing agent, and by this reducing agent the benzyl chloride is reduced into the benzaldehyde. देखिए Cl ब्रेक होगा, HCl बनाएगा और वही बचा हुआ H अटैच हो जाएगा इस पोजीशन पे C6H5CH2. ओके, yes, the second reaction from nitriles and esters. Nitriles and esters also gives aldehydes. First, we see how we obtain aldehyde from nitriles. Alkyl nitrile RCN, when alkyl nitrile reacts with stannous chloride in presence of HCl, imine is obtained. Imine is obtained. Imine is obtained, which on hydrolysis gives aldehyde. Okay, in this reaction stannous chloride and HCl behaves as reducing agent, which reduces nitriles into imine, and this imine is unstable intermediate, so again on hydrolysis converted into aldehyde with the evolution of nitrogen. Okay, so this reaction is known as important naming reaction, that is Stephan reaction. What is Stephan reaction? When alkyl nitriles are reduced corresponding aldehyde by the reaction of stannous chloride in the presence of HCl, an unstable intermediate is obtained, that is imine, which on further hydrolysis gives aldehyde. Another method of formation of aldehyde by the nitriles, that is change the reducing agent, that is dibyl H. In the last class, chapter 2, alcohol phenyl ether, it is used as reducing agent, and here it is also used dibyl. What is dibyl H? Diisobutyl aluminum hydride is known as dibyl H. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में इसको dibyl H कहते हैं और फुल फॉर्म इसका क्या है? diisobutyl aluminum hydride. When alkyl nitriles reduce in the presence of dibyl H and again on hydrolysis of imine unstable intermediate converted into aldehyde, so this reaction is also Stephan reaction, but the reducing agent is changed. In Stephan reaction, which reducing agent is used? That is only stannous chloride in presence of HCl. Okay, and third, alkyl nitrile CH3 CH2 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 CN. When alkyl nitrile converted into, that is aldehyde, by the reducing agent diisobutyl aluminum hydride into amine, and that amine converted into aldehyde by the hydrolysis. Okay, and also esters gives aldehyde. How we can obtain aldehyde from ester? Okay, from ester are also reduced to aldehyde with dibyl H. Dibyl H के द्वारा डाइआइसोब्यूटिल एल्युमिनियम हाइड्राइड reducing agent reduce ester into aldehyde. That is ester. Is aldehyde. Reduction of ester into aldehyde by the dibyl, and also unstable compound is obtained, that is imine, which on hydrolysis gives aldehyde by the displacement of C2H5O. C2H5O converted into another compound, alcohol, and the remaining product, that is aldehyde. Okay, it means from nitriles when we obtain aldehyde in the presence of stannous chloride with HCl, then the reaction is known as Stephan reaction. But another method of formation of aldehyde by the nitriles in the presence of other reducing agent like dibyl diisobutyl aluminum hydride, this also gives amine. This also gives amine, an unstable intermediate which on hydrolysis gives aldehyde. Okay, if the question asks you what is Stephan reaction, write short note on Stephan reaction. Then what will you write? When nitriles are reduced in the presence of stannous chloride with HCl solution, aldehyde is obtained. This reaction is known as Stephan reaction. Okay.